Hey guys, welcome to this very cute neighborhood in Centro Merida. I had the opportunity to tour this home and I had to video it because I said, no sir, this house is pretty. This is what I love about these homes in Centro. You saw the street just now, some of the facades, the walls, you don't know what's hiding behind them. And I feel like I was a realtor in a past life because me like to go behind the wall them and see wagwan inside of the house them. So this is a 2-bed, 3-bath home and it is sitting on top. So this is on the second floor of, I guess, a 2-story house. The owners live down below and this one, the Airbnb. Please don't ask me for the link. Me never asked the young lady who was staying there. So I don't have the link. I do know that this is an Airbnb, but it slipped my mind. This is the secondary bathroom that's inside the secondary bedroom. Nice and small and quaint, but nicely updated. I love the floors. I love how fresh and clean everything is. Hey there. But I like that it still has, pieces of that Mexican decor, I guess, the tiles and stuff that I have come to get to used to here so in Merida. Me like it updated, nice shower head and so, but it still, has that Mexican touch to it. I really like it. This is, I guess, a guest bathroom. It did just kind of in at the middle. So it's inside, it's in the middle of both bedrooms and it's just kind of big. I was like, them never know what else to do with that space here. I don't know if I would have even made it into a bathroom. It could have really been like an office space, I think. But okay, the pièce de résistance. This is the primary bedroom, and as you can see, it has a little, I think, a little balcony off there. It has this little nook where you can, I don't know. Listen, let me go in at the into the closet here because you are about to be blown away. So the closet is nice. As you can see, it's walk-in and you have your part where you hang up your clothes and then you have your shelf and it even have that very top there, like if you're living here you put your suitcase and so. But when you go into this bathroom, let me tell you something. You see this bathroom? Yes, we have to emphasize the room. It is gorgeous. It is beautiful. You have a bidet, you have the toilet, you have a standing shower here, you have a tub separate and apart from that, and I think it's a jetted tub. And then you have, it's like inside outside because you're actually standing in the shower and looking out into that little part there, that little outdoor section that they created. Listen to me. I don't know how you would get me out of the bathroom. It did nice though. Alright, so you come out here now and they have this little seated area that you can, and I guess a next dining room because they have this little part here. So I'm tell you something right here. So if this was my house, you'd have to put AC out here. So because it did very hot, the heat was very hot. So we did come out here to actually eat and have a few bites, but it was uncomfortably hot. We didn't stay long out there at all. But I like the area. I like the idea of having this separate eating area so that if you're entertaining, then it is available. And then you come out here on the terrace and you can overlook the pool area and you do have access to the pool. I'm gonna go out there and show it to you. So before you go downstairs, you have this little seating area so that you can just kind of sit and enjoy. In that door is the washroom, and then where this now? Oh, this is back in the living room. Before we go down to the pool area, I'm gonna just show you very briefly because I don't want to show up everybody who was hanging out. But I had to really kind of show you the decor. I love the wall. I just really love how they updated this space. So it's open concept, nice art on the wall. This is a fully equipped kitchen here that if you're staying here. Now this is the part that sometimes I'm not like about Centro, like you're on the street in this modern home and you're looking out the window and you're seeing, some not so updated, some very updated. It's like nice house, nice house, nice house. Ooh, you can't paint and then nice house, nice house, nice house. It's just kind of, I guess that's the charm of Centro. You can have a modern house beside a random rundown, beside a mechanic, beside a restaurant. You just never know. Gosh, I have to stop talk. Look at this bougainvillea. It is beautiful. And this pool. Do you see the size of the pool? Do you see the size of the pool? It's not a deep pool. You can't swim lap into the pool. Anyways, till next time, make sure to hit that subscribe button, come back for more Merida content, and I will see you in the next one. Walk good, my travel buddies.